from Smart Renovation from a stunning penthouse in Shoreline. We are in Shoreline 11. Already we have the name for this apartment, Picasso. Those clients are very artistic, super. They have a beautiful piece at home. They really interpret what I always say to our clients. In the moment you have a nice structure, something apart, and boom, the house is beautiful. If you can see here, there are a lot of influence, artistic, French, that honestly I love. We keep the same floor, the existing floor, just polished, but all the rest of the attention is on the wall decoration, beautiful furniture, this beautiful use of color of this reddish. Today we are fixing a kitchen. I'm from Italy. Finally arrived, you cannot wait to see the kitchen place. Come and I will show you the second floor of this beautiful apartment. Full ceiling, a perfect light all around, a beautiful mirror here. See the lights that use in the corridor are stunning. Already they tell you how much the people are artistic and with a good taste. Now, access here to the kids' room. Again, super simple bed. All the rest is done by artistic elements. And have a look at the beautiful wall decoration, blue, yellow ochre, and light blue. Now, access here, we are in the kids' bathroom, where the same blue is taken back on the tiles. Beautiful tiles, as a future wall, travertine on the wall, again blue and floated shower glasses. All the bathroom use the floated shower glasses. Vanity white, beautiful mirror, and again blue and black is the combination that has been used here. Now let's carry on because there are surprises everywhere. So moving on here, there are mirror hidden here and there, very nice. I really want to enter in the master bedroom. Master bedroom is beautiful, really beautiful. A great combination between blue molding, light grey, brown on the side table. If you can see, they use a side table different. It's super nice. Here, beautiful console and the blue. Let's enter in the really master piece of the house, the master bathroom. So, travertine. See the beautiful idea to have the mirror hanging from the ceiling, as if you're familiar with Shoreline, here we have a window. Travertine matte gold mixer, freestanding bathtub, super chic. Here, mirror cabinet to hidden with a light to hide an extra cabinet that you need in the bathroom. The beautiful idea is the partition. This is a partition, bathtub from this side, shower from this side. Carry on, we have the counter done with the same tiles, only two shelves. Basin on top, white sink. I want really to highlight as well that we raise a little bit the ceiling. Have a look at the detail of the extra panel. Sliding door. Floated. Moving on, here there is walk-in closet. Now, next room. Guest bedroom, more green. I love this lamp from Seletti, there are a lot of design pieces. Coming in the bathroom, green, future wall, LED mirror, beautiful big shower, and again the future wall green, shower, recess in the ceiling, bench, travertine all around, so chic. Now is the moment to go downstairs. The concept behind this penthouse in Shoreline It's culture, the real true culture. What does it mean culture for us and for Smart Renovation? Travel, trip, discover the world, experience, to bring at home in an elegant and modern way. This is what I always suggest to the client. No need to buy everything at the beginning. The house is made by passion and by trip. So if I can show you this living room, I can see books, this beautiful coffee table, this beautiful sofa, different, colorful. Really here you feel the culture of the client. Here is a book talking about China, African art, artists. They put a lot of attention on the lamp. We love wall light, we love lamp, floor light, chandelier. If you can see here, we have a beautiful full ceiling and a nice modern piece of design shine. So what I'm saying, if you don't have the budget to have some nice piece, no problem, just wait and buy the right piece for your house. Let's avoid what I call Pinterest house. Something quick to copy and paste, and in 1 year you will find a restaurant down the street. So this is what really makes the difference between the house and the beautiful, stunning home. So I hope you love. I really love this channel.